Good morning, children. Did you do the exercise 2.5? Okay, good. Okay, take your book, page number 101. Page number 101. Okay. Today we are going to learn about International Place Value System. International Place Value System. Children, already you have learned the Indian Place Value System. We use Indian Place Value System, or it has one more name, Hindu-Arabic Place Value System. Indian Place Value System or Hindu-Arabic Place Value System. Already you know that, but most countries of the world use a different place value system, that is called International Place Value System. Okay, as per our Indian place value system, how was the place value chart? Yes, as you know, first ones, it has 3 digits, and second is thousands. It has 2 digits, and lakhs. It has 2 digits, and crore. It has 2 digits. In ones, as you know, ones, tens and hundreds, and under thousand is 1,000 and 10,000. Then in lakh is lakh and 10 lakhs. Then crore, crore and 10 crore. Isn't it? It is our place value system, means Indian place value system. Still we use this system in our country and in many Arabian countries. So that is called it has one more name now, Hindu-Arabic Place Value System. Okay, but in International Place Value System, as per International Place Value System, its order, that is different. The place value system, they use a different method. I shall say that as per International Place Value System. How is that? Children, as per the International Place Value chart, yes, there are some difference. Look here, first column, yes, that is just like our Indian place value system. First, that is ones column. Then after that, thousands. Then third, that is millions. As per our Indian place value chart, how is that? Ones, thousands, then lakhs, crores, that is going on like that. But as per the International Place Value System, how is that? Ones column, thousands column, and the next period is millions. What is that? Millions period. Millions. Okay. Again, let us divide it as 3 columns. First, as you know, ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. This period, that is also divided as 3. Look here, 1, 2, 3. First one is 1,000. What is that? Thousands. Next, 10,000s. Third column, that is hundred thousands. That is 100,000s. Next again millions column. Millions period, that is also divided as 3. Which are they? First millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Okay, can you get it? As per our Indian system, here we give the comma to separate period. First from right side 1, 2, 3, then we give a comma. But as per the international place value chart, in thousands there are 3 digits. In thousands period there are 3 digits on 3 places. Which are they? Thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. Okay. Next say millions. Here we can give a comma. Then millions. Yes, millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Okay, let us write a number as per the Indian place value system. For example, 7,82,231. Look here. As per this international place value system, how can we write it? Yes, 231 ones, tens, okay, 200s. Then 2,000, 10,000 and 700,000s. Can you read it? 782,000s. Not only 82,000. What is that? 782,231. How can we write? 782,000s. Here we can give a comma. 231 once. 231. Here we can give the comma from right side. 1, 2, 3, comma, again 1, 2, 3. Then if there is any number here, we can give the comma before 3 digits. Okay, now I am going to write a number. It is Indian place value system, but it is international place value system. Okay, next 3 crore 72 lakh 54,264. How can we arrange them in international place value chart? Yes, 4 ones, 6 tens, 2 hundreds. Then 4, 5, 2, 7, 3. How can we read it? Yes, under millions, 37 millions, comma, then under thousands, 254,000s. This period 254,000s, comma 264. From right side 1, 2, 3, then comma 1, 2, 3, then comma 1, 2. Can you get it? Here I shall give one more example. Look here, there is a number. First, let us arrange these digits in the place value chart. Okay, 9 ones, 110, 200s, 6,000, 5, 10,000, 100,000, 3 million, 7 10 millions. How can we give the comma? Yes. From right side count 1, 2, 3. Before 3 digits. Again 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. It is the number we have separated by using the commas. How, children, how can we read it? Look here. Under millions, how many millions are there? Yes, 73 millions. 73 million 73 million. Then next portion, next period, 156,000. 156,000. 156,000. And what is remained then? 219. 219. Okay, read it. 73 million 156,000. 156, we have to read it together. 156. 156, what is that? 1,000. Then 219. Okay. Okay, children. On your page number 102, exercise 2.6. Look here, mark the periods and rewrite the following numbers in international place value system and write in words. Yes, as you know, first we have to separate the periods. How? Yes, by using comma. Let us give comma. 1, 2, 3 before 3 digit first comma. Then again before 3 digit 1, 2, 3 here. We can give comma. Then to write in words, what should we do? Yes, we have to separate them as per the periods. First 3 digits is ones, second 3 digits thousands, and the third these 2 digits is millions. Okay. How can we read it? 61,572,000. Then 174. Look here. How can we write it? 61 million. 61 million. Then 572,000. 572. 72,000. Next period 174. 174. Okay, how can we read it? 61 million. Yes, 61 million. Next 572,000. 572,000. Then 174. 174. 74. If you write the letters on the digits, we can read it very easily. You should use this method. Okay children, it is the second number. Look here. First, what should we do? Yes, we have to separate the digit as per its periods. Yes, as per International Place Value System, how is that? Yes, first, yes, before 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. Then, how can we read it? Yes, let us write ones, thousands and millions. Now how can we read it? 37,290,215. Let us write. Okay, 37 million, 30, THIRTY, 37, 7 million, 37 million, 290,000, 200, 90, 90 spelling NINETY, 90,000, 290,000, 1,000, then 215, 200, 215, 37 million, 37 million. Next 290,000, 290,000. Then 215, 215. Okay. Next, our third number. Yes, it is our third number. First, let us separate by using commas. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, then 1, 2. Then let us write the letters for ones. Next period, thousands, and the next period, that is of million. How can we read it? Yes, very good. 40,162,876. 40 million. 40 spelling FORTY. 40. FORTY. 40 million. Million. Next, 162,000. 100. 62, 1,000, 876, 800, 76, 70 SEVENTY, 76. Look here, 40 million, 40 under million, yes, 40. Under 1,000, 162. Look here, 162. Next portion, under ones, 800, 876, 876. 40,162,876. Yes. Next, fourth number. First, let us separate the periods. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2. Then let us write the letters of 4 ones. Next portion, yes, of 3 digits, thousands. Next portion, that is of million. How can we read it? 52 million. Only 1000. 001 means only 1708. Okay. Write in words. 52 million. 50 FIFTY. 52 million. Next portion is thousands. That is only 1000. 1000. Then 708. 700. 8. EIGHT. 8. 52 million 1708. Okay, children, there are two more numbers, 5 and 6. They are for homework. Okay, let us meet in the next class.